Yes, it's very frustrating. It's very frustrating to have to come up here every day and bother everybody about the situation. I really just want my fiance home.
Jasmona Gibson paid more than $2,000 for her fiance's bail and ankle bracelet. But what she thought would be a routine release from jail yesterday has turned into a waiting game.
I asked how long would it be. They said there's no time frame on when the systems will be back up.
The sheriff's office announced yesterday that the cyber attack early Thursday morning forced them to shut down some critical functions. While the jail itself is not affected, the inmate management system that the courts and the DA's office rely on has been crippled. The judges say that getting defendants into court has been something of a problem, and getting defendants out of jail has been a big problem. Some defendants on the regular court docket were in court Friday, but first appearances by new arrestees has been delayed, and the release of inmates on bail seems to have been stopped cold.
To the sheriff's office website, the jail is just saying as of this time they can't locate offenders, so they can't do any releases.
Amber Dennis of Steve's Bail Bonds said some of her customers, like Ms. Gibson, are stuck in limbo even after paying all their bond fees.
You know, they paid bond, they paid for the bracelet. We've called multiple times throughout the days and nobody's being released.
I have two sons, 4 and 6. They missed their dad. I did everything on my end to make sure that he comes home. So I feel like once everything is paid, everything is done, it shouldn't be no holdup.
Now, we reached out to the sheriff's office today for an update, and we have not heard back. Sharice, Katie?
You know, Mike, aren't there some constitutional questions raised here if this continues to go on?
And I can tell you some defense attorneys are already talking about some of those constitutional protections, such as a arrested suspect has, under Louisiana law, 48 hours to be brought to court for that first appearance and bail setting. And if these delays prolong any longer into the weekend, that 48 hours is going to be violated, and we're certainly going to hear about that in future court proceedings.
All right, so much more fallout to come. Thanks so much. We appreciate it.